How to withdraw money from Stockx wallet. So the first step is to simply go to Stockx and then simply hover your mouse over your profile and then simply go to wallet. Now the next step is to scroll down, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply add a credit card to your wallet. Then here, as you can see, you have payout info. So simply click on edit, and then here you're gonna have to simply set up your account profile. So you're gonna have to choose one of these options. I'm gonna go with I'm an individual, and here you're gonna have to enter some personal information about you. So like your first and last name, your date of birth, your occupation. So let me choose here something random for this tutorial. So I'm gonna go with this one here. Then here you're gonna have to add your home address and then click on continue. Now here you're gonna have to simply add some security questions. So let's see here. Then you're gonna have to check these boxes and then click on confirm. Basically this will activate our account. Now here you're gonna have to simply add a payout method, so where you want to get your money. So basically click on add payout method, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose the payout method. So here, based on your country and region, you're gonna have a different payout method. So as you can see, for me, I have PayPal. So simply click on continue, and then you're gonna have to simply set up your PayPal account. So here you're gonna have to simply add your PayPal account. So let me add it really fast, and then click on submit. And basically that should be it. So as you can see here, we have our PayPal account. Now if we go here to payout, we can see that we can basically see where we're gonna get our money, and as you can see, the fees and everything. Now this should be done automatically, but if you go back to Stockx, so let's refresh this page, we should have here after it verifies our payout method. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.